So, young lords, learners, viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about Fire Harm by K.K. N. Daruwala. Fire Harm by K.K. N. Daruwala is a landscape poem. Daruwala is the recipient of Sahitya Academy Award, which he got in 1984, and Commonwealth Poetry Award. He is a poet of landscape. He is eminent poet and well-known short story writer. According to Daruwala, his poetry is a totally impressionistic recording of subjective responses. He says that his poems are rooted in the rural landscape and hence earthy. He shuns sophistication as he thinks that is, while adding gloss, takes away this power of verse. He writes with intensity and vigor involved in poetic creation. Since he is in police service, violence is unavoidable in his poetry. The themes of his poetry are love, death, domination, cynicism, plight of human beings, and violence. His important volumes of verse include Under Orion, which appeared in 1970, Apparition in April, which appeared in 1971, and Crossing the Rivers, which came about in 1976. After talking about the poet and the author K.K. N. Daruwala, let me talk about the poem Fire Harm. Fire Harm is a landscape poem. It describes a ghat, a funeral site, a funeral place where dead bodies are cremated or burnt. The poet gives a realistic account of the funeral site, of the burning ghat. The poet says that the burning ghat or funeral site is full of fire and smoke. Dead bodies are seen burning over there. Dead body after dead body is being seen burning all over the ghat, all over the funeral site. It presents a very terrible sight, very fearful sight. However, people have to attend and go to that place to burn the dead bodies of his relatives, friends, foes, and others. The poet finds that some limbs of the dead body are scattered over there, half burnt. The poet says that fire devours everything. Fire eats into the dead body. But the poet finds that even fire leaves out some of the limbs of the dead body half burnt or half baked. They have fingers, legs, half burnt, scattered all over the funeral site, all over the burning ghats, which present a very terrible look, very fearful sight. The poet went to cremate or burn the dead body of his eldest son 25 years ago. The poet is a Parsi. In Parsi, dead body is not burnt. Rather, dead body is buried. Parsis have burials of dead bodies. But Keki in Daruwala goes to the burning ghat to burn, to cremate the dead body of his elder son 25 years ago. The poet is very sad and shocked to see the scene and sight of the burning site. Only a smoke and a smoke and a smoke and nothing else. The limbs of the dead bodies are scattered over there. The poet thinks that it is a cruel act of human beings to burn dead bodies. But the poet, who is a Parsi, does not like to bury the dead body of his elder son who is dead. Rather, he wants to cremate it, burn it on the ghat, on the funeral site. But the poet observes that this is a very cruel act being practiced by the people. So, the title of the poem is Fire Hymn. Fire hymn means the praise of fire or praise composed in the or on the function of fire, on the duty of fire, that fire performs on the burning ghat, on the funeral fire. The poem sings of the quality of fire, how fire burns the dead body, how fire eats into the entire human body who is dead. So the title of the poem is appropriate. It tells a lot about fire. Thanks a lot.